Hi, this is Jaswin Valia from Team Learn Today, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can set up a static homepage for your WordPress website. So, what are the benefits of having a static homepage? Having a static homepage will make it much easier for your visitors to find what they're looking for on your website. It will also make it easier for search engines to index your site. A static homepage does not change with every post on your site, which makes it much easier for search engines to understand and catalog your website. So let's go ahead and take a look at how a static homepage might look like. So the first step in creating a static homepage for your WordPress website is naturally to log into our WordPress dashboard. So I'm just going to do that, and instead of your website name, we will be writing jasminvalia.com. I will be writing jasminvalia.com. You have to write your own website name. Now that we have landed on our WordPress dashboard, in the left sidebar, you will find something called as appearance. And as we hover our cursor over it, we will find customize as an option. So we will click on that and we will land on our customize settings. Now that that is done, we have to find something known as homepage settings. Click on that. And as you can see over here, our homepage is displayed at your latest post. Now we will change that to a static page. One thing that you need to make sure is that you have created your homepage and your blogs page before you come here and change these settings. So if you have not already created a homepage and a blogs page, go ahead and check out our SOP on how you can create a new page on your WordPress website. Moving along, in your homepage settings, you will have to select the page that you created as a homepage. For example, right now, I will select my homepage as my homepage. And for my posts page, I will select the page that I created for my posts, which is blogs. Now that we have done that, I will just go ahead and publish these settings that I changed. Let's take a look at our website and how it looks like. So as you can see, our static page would start looking something like this. Our home page would be different, contact us page would be different, and our blogs page, which is our post page, will also be different. So here you go. Now you have successfully created a static homepage for your WordPress website. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. In our next video, we're going to talk about how you can set up a theme for your WordPress website. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and subscribe to our Learn Today channel and hit that bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. I am Jaswin Valia and I will see you in our next SOP.